all what the names are and everything.
Now I'm taking a video. Woo! Look at that.
See, and it's still pedestrian crossing, so you kind of have to obey the laws, you kind of don't.
Beautiful color. Doggy?
Come on, are they gonna rev it? No?
They don't have to. There. Happy?
Yeah.
I used to have a Hot Wheels that looked like that.
I did too. I have a purple one like
What, a
that.
little model car?
I used to have a purple
A
one.
little Hot Wheels, you know?
Yeah.
There's one down Coxwell. It looks like that. Oh my god. That's funny.
Oh my god.
Still works.
The real
Or
old
it's like
ones.
dead, so.
That's like the ones at Centerville.